Kirtan movement all over Navadvip. It all started at Srivasamadam. Lord, along with his close associates, used to chant and dance throughout the night in transcendental ecstasy. One day, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu instructed Nityananda Prabhu, Srivas Pandit, Haridas Thakur, and other associates to go for Nagar Sankirtan.
O Haridas, and all the devotees, go for Nagar Sankirtan to deliver all the fallen souls. Suno suno Nityananda, suno Haridas, Hamara Gyaya Karo Sarvatra Prakash, Prati Ghar Ghar Kare Mango Yahi Bhiksha, Bolo Krishna Bhajo Krishna, Karo Krishna Diksha, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Thus, while chanting and dancing, the Sankirtan party encountered Chand Kazi along with his Muslim soldiers. This place where the Mridanga was broken is called Khola Bhanga Ganga, and this news spread far and wide and finally reached Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Mahaprabhu, 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 Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Mahaprabhu, they broke our Mridanga. See what they have done. Please help us. They don't let us chant the holy name, Mahaprabhu. Please help us.
Gather all the devotees. We will make a big procession towards the Chand Kazi's house. I will teach him a lesson. Follow me.
Kill the Kazi, kill the Kazi, kill the Kazi, kill the Kazi, kill the Kazi.
Keep quiet. I want to talk to them.
Nimai. Your maternal grandfather, I was calling him Kaka. So you are my nephew. Don't be so angry. Nimai, don't be so angry.
Why you kill cows and bulls? They are like our mother and father. Cow gives us milk, so she is like our mother. And ox, he gives us bread, so he is like our father.
Don't you do as Shastras kill animals?
We used to do it in the old ages, but that is not recommended in Kali Yuga. We used to do that to show the power of mantras. But in this age of Kali, the only way to make spiritual progress is to chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Stop. Hey, Nimai. Chalo. I will show you something. Come inside. Come.
You can tell me here, they are all my personal.
No, not here. Come inside. I have to tell you something. You know, last night I had a dream.
Very good.
Chand Kazi died, they put his body in the tomb. That we visited today. We see two trees above the Samadhi. One is a tree, neem tree, and the other is a champak tree. Chand Kazi's nickname was Champak, and Lord Chaitanya's name is Nimai. Thus Chand Kazi got that award. We now present you the cast. We have Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Anand Vilas Keshav Das, Ankit Prabhu, Narsimha Bhatt, Nityananda Prabhu Shubham, Shrivas Jagadananda Murali Das Jayawant, and the associates Pankaj Prabhu, Chand Kazi Gaur Manmohan Das, Gaurav Goyal, and the Muslim soldiers Dharmeshwar Krishna Das and Vipin Vilas Krishna Das. And the overall coordinator we have Aishwarya Mataji.
And narrator Rashmi Mataji.